everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Celeste from Shelley's Creation, and today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make this waffle stitch. So all we need is yarn size 4 or medium, and we're gonna use the hook size 5 mm. Okay, let's start with a chain of multiple of 3. Let's begin with a slip knot and chain 3. Now I have 1, 2, 3. Then another 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna continue chaining with a group of 3. This example of tutorial, I'm gonna make a chain of 27. Now I have 27 chains here. We're gonna make a double crochet on the 5th chain. 5th chain is here, so we're gonna make 1 double crochet in every stitches. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we're gonna continue making 1 double crochet in every stitches up to the end of this row. Now I'm done with our first row of 1 double crochet in every stitches. So in the second row we're gonna make a chain of 3, and now turn your work and do 1 double crochet on the second chain. We have 2 double crochet here, and on the third chain we're gonna make a front post double crochet. I have 1 front post double crochet here, and on the next chain I'm gonna make another 1 front post double crochet. Now we have 2 double crochet at the front and 2 front post double crochet, and on the next chain I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, and now skip 1 chain right here and do 1 double crochet. Then on the next chain we're gonna make another 1 double crochet. On the next chain we're gonna make a double crochet. Then another 1 double crochet on the next 2 chains. So I have 1 here, then another 1 front post double crochet, 2 front post double crochet. So now we're gonna make another double crochet on the next stitch right here, and on the next one front post double crochet, then another 1 front post double crochet like this. Now we're gonna alternate 2 double crochet, 2 front post double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and we're gonna continue here until the end of our row. As you can see, we have alternate. In the beginning we have 2 double crochet, then we're gonna start 2 front post double crochet, and here at the end we have 2 double crochet. Now we're gonna make 2 double crochet right here. Our both ends are balanced, and now we're gonna make a chain of 3, and we're gonna start on the third row. Since when we turn our work here, you can see that we have only one double crochet, and on the second stitches we have one front post double crochet. We're gonna follow here. We make one front post double crochet, and now you see that we have two double crochet at the back. Follow that. Two double crochet, one, and another one here. So we're gonna make another one double crochet. And now, as you can see on the next stitch, that this chain here is popping up as a front post double crochet, so we're gonna follow that to make a front post double crochet. And now we're gonna make double crochet on the second stitches here, since you see a double crochet at the back. We have one and two, and now the pop up front post double crochet, we're gonna make a front post double crochet right here, then another two double crochet at the back. We're gonna do one double crochet, two double crochet, and now front post popping up, and follow that front post double crochet, and then we're gonna continue that. We're gonna start with one double crochet, one front post double crochet, and two double crochet, front post double crochet, front post double crochet. We're gonna alternate that all the way to the last row. Now, as you can see, we have 4 stitches here, so 2 double crochet at the back and 2 double crochet at the front. We're gonna do here 2 double crochet. We just follow what they have on the previous rows right here, and now there's one double crochet that is popping up. That means front post double crochet, and then one double crochet at the last stitch. As you can see in the beginning, we have one double crochet right here, then a front post, and at the end we have one double crochet and one front post right here. Oops, sorry. And after, we're gonna make the last double crochet here. Now we're gonna chain 3, then turn your work here, and now since on this side is one double crochet, not the front post, we're gonna follow that one double crochet, and on the second stitches we're gonna follow the popping up of front post double crochet. Follow this one front post double crochet and another one front post double crochet, and now on the next stitch we have one double crochet behind. I'm gonna follow that one double crochet and then another front post double crochet, one and two, and then another one double crochet, and now two front post double crochet. We have one and two. We're gonna alternate up to the end of our row. Now we have double crochet on the to the last stitches. We're gonna follow that one and two. As you can see in the beginning, we have two double crochet, two front post, and our end we have two double crochet, and then chain 3 again and turn your work. You can see right here we already have a waffle stitch. Now we're gonna follow or repeat the second row and the third row of our work. You just keep repeating this until you can get the maximum or the size that you are wanted. You see here we have 2 double crochet and 1 pop up front post double crochet, 2 double crochet front post, 2 double crochet front post. Whatever we have on the front, we just follow the pattern until you get the right amount of your project. As you can see here, on the back, just a plain of front post double crochet, but when you turn it on the front, you can see the pattern of our waffle stitches.